Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SushiSwap for trading on Ethereum and Arbitrum step by step clearly. To activate SushiSwap for trading on Ethereum and Arbitrum, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the SushiSwap website by typing in the URL. Once the website loads, locate the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Choose your wallet from the list of supported wallets, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Wallet Connect. If you selected MetaMask, a prompt will appear in your wallet. Authorize the connection by clicking Next and then Connect. After your wallet is connected, make sure you have Ethereum or Arbitrum tokens available in your wallet for trading. To switch networks, find the network selector in the top right corner of the interface. Select Ethereum or Arbitrum based on your trading preference. If you are using Arbitrum, ensure that you have bridged your assets from Ethereum to Arbitrum. Locate the swap option in the main menu on the SushiSwap interface. Choose the tokens you want to trade by selecting them from the drop-down menus. Input the amount of the token you wish to swap. The platform will automatically show you the equivalent amount of the token you will receive. Review the swap details, including fees and slippage tolerance. If everything looks good, click on the swap button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet when prompted. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see a confirmation message on the SushiSwap interface. Check your wallet to ensure the tokens have been swapped successfully. You are now ready to begin trading on SushiSwap on Ethereum or Arbitrum. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.